Hello, and welcome to this brief video overview. Today's topic is how to organize your paperwork for a smooth, successful claim. Being organized is always a good idea. Having good organizational skills in your personal and professional life makes you more efficient, saves time, and promotes positive results in all you do. When it comes to your personal injury claim, good organizational skills can mean the difference between an above-average settlement and a mediocre one. You must be able to instantly access any document you need when speaking with the adjuster. You also want to know if you're missing a piece of important information. A well-organized file will help expose any gaps in your documentation. Part of organizing your claim is taking lots of notes. They help to remind you what was said during telephone calls, and can serve as references to help link various pieces of evidence. Be sure to take lots of notes throughout the course of your claim. So let's begin with your file folder. A personal injury attorney's method for creating a client file is a good model to follow. An effective injury attorney always keeps her paperwork in good order. She'll also have plenty of notes supplementing the documents and reminding her of important events. Begin with a large accordion-style folder, the kind with lots of dividers inside. Each section should have a label, but if not, you can purchase them separately. You will maintain a section of the folder for each category of documentation related to your claim. Spending a few dollars in preparation for the settlement process is well worth the money. It enables you to focus solely on negotiating your settlement and not on shuffling through piles of documents. Let's do a detailed breakdown of the file sections and contents. Your first section is property damage. In this section, include all information related to your property damage, including body shop estimates for repairs, towing bills, and receipts or estimates for damaged personal items. Your second section will be correspondence. File all written correspondence in chronological order with the most recent at the front and oldest in the back. This part of your file should include your notification letter to the at-fault driver and insurance company, the insurance company's reservation of rights letter, your letters to all medical providers, all correspondence to and from the adjuster, your demand letter, all other miscellaneous correspondence. The third section is for medical bills. This is where you'll include every bill from every medical provider in chronological order with the most recent on top. This section includes bills from chiropractors, therapists, and all other healthcare providers. Begin with the ambulance bill if applicable, and continue with every other bill right up to the present day. The fourth section will be medical records. This is for all documentation related to your medical treatment. Although similar to the previous section, here you'll include a chronological listing of every medical procedure and treatment related to your injury. Attach copies of all of your medical records including admitting charts, doctors' and nurses' notes, exam and test results, prescriptions, doctors' medical narratives. The fifth section will contain wage verification. This part of the file folder won't be very thick, but the contents are important. Place a letter from your employer and any other verification of your lost wages and compensation in this section. The sixth section is for witness information. Include contact information for any witnesses and copies of their written statements here. If you have more than a few witnesses, you can put them in alphabetical order. In the seventh section, you can place all of your related photographs. Have all of your digital photographs developed. Include photos taken at the time of the injury and over the next several days. On the back of each photo, write the date it was taken, who took it, and what the picture represents. Include a note in the file if you or anyone else has video of the incident, on your cell phone or a security camera for instance. The eighth section can be reserved for notes. This is where you'll keep all notes taken during each phase of the settlement process. Make an entry each time you speak with the adjuster, a witness, medical provider, employer, etc. This is also where you'll write down offers and counteroffers as the negotiation progresses. We've included an example of taking notes during the claims process below. Another important step of being organized for a smooth, successful claim is knowing all of your pertinent dates. For this, you should keep a calendar. Keep a separate calendar for your personal injury claim and check it every day. Make an entry on dates you agreed to contact the adjuster, or dates he said he'd contact you. This way, you'll be able to hold the adjuster accountable for his commitments. Make sure you clearly note the statute of limitations date. Mark it in large red letters beginning 4 months before the statute expires, and then every month until it actually does. If you organize your calendar like you organize your paperwork, you'll be on your way to a smooth settlement negotiation. And that concludes this overview on how to organize your paperwork for a smooth, successful claim. To learn more and get a free case review, visit injuryclaimcoach.com. Thanks very much for watching, and best of luck with your case.